Yo, what's going on, good people? Welcome back to Cook It Up with Chris. I'm Chris. So today, we're gonna be trying something new. If you don't know, most of the dishes that you love was something that either was made by mistake or somebody was just dealing with ingredients in the kitchen trying to figure out something new. This morning, I wake up to make some eggs and biscuits, and I was gonna make some meat, but I had some chicken that I ain't used in a couple of days, and instead of just putting some bread on it and frying it up, making some chicken and biscuits or something, I'm gonna try something new. This morning, I'm gonna try to make some lemon crusted chicken, and we're gonna see how it go together. So let's do this. All right, so this shouldn't take long to get going. So I'm gonna go ahead and start heating up my skillet now. Gonna go down in with some oil. Couple tablespoons, not going too heavy. I'm not trying to deep fry, I'm just trying to sear these. It's not gonna be a heavy breading on it. Right. So we got that going. Now we'll come over here and start with 1 cup of flour. Of course, I'm gonna go down with the all-purpose seasoning in there. That's about a tablespoon or so. Gotta remake that, it's empty. Alright, let me get the spoon, go and stir that up. Hello, my baby.
Thank you.
Alright. Now, just about a teaspoon of sugar. I don't know how that's gonna turn out. Probably should have did that. But, like I said, I'm trying some. Alright, and you're gonna use a zest of 1 large lemon. So we're gonna, some people do it different ways by just pulling the zester across the lemon. Some people like to rub the lemon across the zester. Either way, as long as the job gets done, I'm actually one for rubbing the lemon across the zester. You see that? That's about as deep as you want to go on your zester. Let's see. Yeah, you don't want to start getting that white up in there. You want to stay about right here. All right, and you got to make sure you use that lemon within like a day because it'll dry out quick. All right, so we got that in there. Now, let's get some salt and pepper open. All right, and we going thin on these chicken breasts, so we're just gonna halve these babies. Hush! Alright, so we're just gonna salt and pepper these babies. Both sides, of course. And we're not using no egg wash. We ain't trying to seriously bread it. We're just trying to have a light coating of everything. Alright, so patting it in. Let's check this oil. It's ready for us. Alright, so we're just gonna let's go with the heavy one first. So you can see that zest up in there. We're just gonna do a little tap, a flip, and we're gonna lay it down. It shouldn't take long. Boneless breast. Probably about 3 minutes on each side. Throw my biscuits in the oven. Alright, once I get all this chicken cooked up, we'll come back and we'll see how it is. Time for that first flip. I'm smelling lemon, but honestly, I don't know if it's coming from here or over here. I'll have to try something different on the second round. Alright, the first batch is now done. Or at least the baby one. I'm going to take this one out. This big boy probably can use some more time. Let's go ahead and get this other thin one. So what we're going to do different this time, I am going to coat it in here. But what I'm also going to do, put a little extra lemon zest on top of it. That baby into the skillet. A little more lemon zest on this side too. We're going to see how that baby do compared to the other one. Coat it. Flip it. A little extra lemon zest. Put that in. Into the skillet. And a little extra lemon zest on that side. These are thinner than that big first one, so it shouldn't take too long for those to cook. And over here, once they come out, what I'm doing is hitting them with a little lemon juice. A little more lemon flavor. We'll see what that baby do in a second. These thin babies are ready to flip already. I'll come back when it's time to eat. Time for me to get my biscuits out. Get down the bacon. It's also time to get this chicken out. So let's do that as well. They're gonna get the same treatment as their cousins that just came out. Just some lemon juice over it. We're gonna see what the baby do in a second. All right, time for the moment of truth. So right here, you got the one that was just crusted in the flour with the lemon zest in it. Over here, you have the one that had the flour and lemon zest and then the extra zest on it. So let's see if it's a difference at all. Which one tastes better? Let's find out. So it's good. You can taste the lemon zest on it. Or the lemon flavor. That could just be from the juice. Let's see if putting the lemon zest directly on it made a difference. Oh, it does make a difference. You get a lot more lemon flavor over here. I was thinking that might end up tasting the same, but this one actually tastes better. So yes, your flour, seasoning, and lemon zest, and then put you some more lemon zest on top of it before you fry it, and you really get that lemon difference in there. Oh yeah, and this definitely tastes like something you eat with breakfast, as I will be doing today. Y'all enjoy that.